Namaste. These days, many of us face problems related to back or shoulder. If you visit your doctor, he is going to tell you this is because of your sedentary lifestyle or posture while you are working, watching TV or sitting doing nothing. Try to sit straight. But how to sit straight? Today I am going to demonstrate how to sit straight. Please observe and try to follow the tips. When we think we are sitting straight, we simply arch our back, and this puts lot of strain on our lower back muscle. Instead, we need to contract our abdomen, pull your back and feel the flat surface here. Now roll back your shoulder, lift your chin up, and this is what is straight posture. Try and let me know. Thank you.